Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best gear you can actually rely on. And today, I'm bringing you what I believe is currently the best reusable water bottle on the market. The POWCAN 26 ounces insulated stainless steel water bottle in the vibrant, cotton candy, colorway. This bottle is more than just eye candy. It's engineered for performance and packed with features that make it a standout for your daily hydration needs. Whether you're heading to school, the gym, the office, or out on a road trip, this bottle is designed to fit seamlessly into your routine. And your car's cup holder too. Let's start with design. The cotton candy finish gives this bottle a fresh, energetic look, with soft pastel gradients that really pop. It's sleek but sturdy, and the size is just right for portability. The 26-ounce version fits snugly in standard car cup holders, making it great for commuters and travelers. What really sets this bottle apart is the 2-in-1 lid. It includes both a straw for casual sipping and a spout for when you need a quick chug. It's like having two bottles in one. You don't need to swap lids. It's already built to accommodate whatever mood you're in. Whether it's hot coffee or an icy sports drink, you've got flexible access. Now let's talk performance. POWCAN's double-wall vacuum insulation keeps your drinks ice cold for up to 24 hours and warm for 12. That's full-day hydration support, without the annoying bottle sweat. So no wet messes in your bag, just consistently cold, or hot, sips. It's made of 18/8 stainless steel, BPA-free, and it doesn't hold onto flavors or smells. There's no metallic aftertaste either. Plus, the wide mouth opening makes it super easy to clean by hand, while the lid is dishwasher safe. So maintenance is simple, and you can always keep it fresh. And yes, it's leak-proof. I threw it in my backpack during a hike, and not a single drop escaped. You don't have to worry about moisture getting into your electronics or clothes. It's rugged, dependable, and perfect for high-energy environments like school gyms, sports fields, or even just a hectic commute. So here's the bottom line. The POWCAN 26 ounces water bottle nails the trifecta of design, durability, and performance. It's versatile, stylish, functional, and perfect for just about anyone. If you're looking to up your hydration game without sacrificing on style or reliability, this might just be the best $20, $30 you spend this year. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product deep dives. Only on Product Critique. See you in the next one.